Today I'm sharing a piece of my day with these beautifully crispy quinoa broccoli cakes. I love using broccoli because it acts like a natural shield for our bodies, stopping internal rust and keeping our cells so vibrant. Come with me. Let's finely chop our boiled broccoli into small pieces. Now let's whisk together our tahini, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, honey, sesame oil, ginger, and water. I tend to make a little extra because this sesame paste is loaded with calcium to keep our bones strong. In a mixing bowl, combine your cooked quinoa, the chopped broccoli, 2 eggs, and a pinch of sea salt. Mix it thoroughly until everything holds together perfectly. Heat a thin coating of olive oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Using a cookie scoop or a spoon, place a few scoops into the pan and lightly flatten them. Can you hear that beautiful, delicious sizzling sound? Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and once the bottom is set, gently flip them over. Look at how beautifully golden brown and crisp they are. Transfer them to a wire rack so they stay nice and crisp. You can make about 10 cakes in total with this batch, which makes it perfect for a light meal prep. Serve them warm alongside that creamy tahini sauce. They are so delicious on their own, but when you dip them into the sauce, the flavors absolutely sing. I find that the fiber from the quinoa and broccoli is so incredibly gentle on the gut, leaving you feeling light and sustained all day long. Eat well, feel light.